think a steak sandwich on the Chefman Smokeless Indoor Grill. Hey guys, welcome back. You know, I so wanted to do this outside. We actually had good weather today, but time ran out. Day's getting short so early. So we're back inside. We're on the Chefman Indoor Smokeless Grill, and I've got an awesome steak sandwich I'm gonna do for you. And it's kind of on a menu that I got this out of a cookbook. It's kind of on the skinny taste or the lighter side, which I'm going to be doing more of as we go into the new year. And mainly because, well, I need to drop a few pounds, folks. So, guys, this is a great little sandwich I'm going to make for you, and I can't wait to get started. So, get ready. Let's get cooking. As always, never cook on this grill without water in the pan. Carefully put it back in place. Great on this cook, we going full blown on high. It'll take 5-10 minutes to get that heated up. Okay, I'm pretty much going with the same seasoning you seen here a couple of weeks ago on those ribeyes. Got the Saints, I don't know if I'm saying that, Saints stir fry oil. A little bit on these guys. These are top sirloins, guys. I know I did ribeyes last time, but it'll probably be a little while before I do ribeyes again, just because these are quite a bit leaner. I thought I had some Montreal steak, but I do not, so I'm going back with this Brazilian steakhouse. Same seasonings, different cook. I can't wait to eat this sandwich, guys. We're gonna flip. And we'll do it again. Hey guys, let's get this going. We're gonna go about 4 minutes per side here. Little sizzle going there. All right. We are 4 minutes into this. Let's see what we got. Get over here. I think the easiest thing to grab. Looks pretty good. Got some grill marks there. I think in my last video of steak, I called them cook lines. I don't even know where that comes from. All right, these steaks are a little thicker than what I normally get. So I'm gonna give them another turn, guys. Just to make sure we get to a good, I'm looking for a good medium rare to a medium. So we should be about there real soon. I'm gonna slice these, so it's gonna be really cool. Alright, it is time to get these guys off of here. Let these rest a bit, we'll come back and make us a sandwich. Let's get this on here. See how this turns out. Can't wait to try these sandwiches, but let's get it cut. I'll get a little bit more done. Oh, we're a good medium. I'm okay with that. Let's try this right here. That's good and medium. I don't know if you can see that real well. Let's make a sandwich here. Can't wait to try these sandwiches, but let's get it cut. Maybe a little bit more done. Oh, we're a good medium. I'm okay with that. try this right here. That's good and medium. I don't know if you can see that real well. Let's make a sandwich here. Guys, got a little brioche baguette. I guess I said that right. I didn't realize it was pre-sliced when I got it, but very cool. I like it. I'm gonna come in here on both sides. A little mayonnaise. I'll come in with some yellow mustard. A couple tomatoes. Some chopped romaine. Pull in some of these steak slices right here. Okay, let's go on with our top. Actually, it's the bottom. That little Greek pasta salad I picked up at the deli. Give this thing a try. Alright guys, I'll say one thing, that's one messy steak sandwich. An incredibly messy steak sandwich. That's very good, guys. It is on the lighter side. That's sirloin. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do another bite. I really like that. The seasoning, I've showed that to you before. Sings. Also, I do want to try this by itself. Check that sirloin out. Pulled apart, very tender. Cooked a good medium, which I like a medium to a medium rare. Very good, guys. This sandwich is come out of the idea, or the concept of this come from a Skinny Taste cookbook that we've got here, and you're gonna see more of these type cooks coming into the new year because yeah, some of this has got to go. So, guys, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. So guys, till next time, God bless you. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye, guys.